What's up, everybody? Jon Gray here from SignalWire. Just had a rough crash landing out here in the middle of the ocean. Can't find any of my stuff. I know I had a Coder Games box somewhere, but I'm gonna go look around and check it out. But stay tuned. We're alive and we're gonna make it out of here. Well, I found my backpack, but still have yet to find the Coder Games box. So I'm traveling along. Oh, wait, my Coder Games box. Holy smokes, can you believe that we just survived that crash? Well, fortunately we made it up to some shelter, so I'm excited to be checking out what we have in store for this Coder Games box. So let's check out what we have inside. Looks like lots of cool stuff. First thing to start off that catches my eye is the Arduino board. So this is one of my favorite toys, something that's super easy to integrate with lots of different modules. The possibilities with an Arduino board are virtually endless when you have a little bit of creativity and the power of the internet. So next to roll out, we have a paper towel roll, about half of one. Roll out. We got some popsicle sticks. We have got some straws, even some bendy straws, so maybe we'll have a little party in case we get to finally get a drink out here. We got some Elmer's glue. Although we're on a deserted island, do not eat the glue. Not as tasty as it may look. We have got a funnel, capital F-U-N funnel. We got some balloons. We got some rubber bands inside of there and a little bit of rubber tubing. We've also got some resistors, so doing some resisting maybe. Can't imagine what we're going to be building with all these together. Some tape, and we've got some washers, and lastly some industrial adhesive glue. So, in looking over some of these envelopes, time to check it out and see what we're gonna be doing with all of this stuff. Well, in summary, the goal over the next few months is to find a way to survive and make it off the deserted island so you don't miss ClueCon. That gives you 6 months with 6 different challenges to complete on your own time. You'll need to survive the plane crash, find some water, you need to generate some power, find a little bit of food, build a shelter, and lastly, escape, so you can make it to ClueCon on time. Looking forward to seeing what you all have in store for us and how you approach these challenges. Otherwise, stay tuned for more videos on how we tackle the rest of these challenges within the box. Hope to hear from you guys soon, and I'll see you off the island.